भवतु मे। नमो नमः।
नमो नमः।
In previous class, we have started the 24th lesson of first book of Sanskrit, where we have learned various Sanskrit pratyayas like a tva pratyaya, lip pratyaya, kta pratyaya, ktavatu pratyaya, shatru pratyaya, shanach pratyaya, tumin pratyaya, like that. So based on that, mainly focused on Tumun and Kta Pratyaya, we were making few sentences. Sanskrit sentences we have almost completed. So few sentences were remaining like up to this Kleshaha Sodaha Sitaya. Up to that we had completed, and now we will move forward. Again, one more time, I would like to go through words. Akhilam, it is an adjective. Whole. Abhishekah, coronation. Asyati, nirasyati means to scatter. Utajah, hut. Udyatah, ready, prepared. Upayah, remedy. Karagraham, prison. Kumbhakarah, potter. Kupah, a well. Kshetram, a field. Khanati, utkhanati to excavate, to dig. Ghatah, a jar. Tushnim, it is an silently indeclinable aware. Nirdishati, to indicate. Nidhaya, or to put, to bear. Uh, so next is Uddhara. Okay. Hmm. Uddharati. Uddharati to save, to release, to lift up. नेक्स्ट इज नी उपसर्ग पूर्वक नी धातु विनयते. विनयति टू एजुकेट. पंकः मड. पेन पीड़ा. प्रातः इन मॉर्निंग. भजति टू रिसोर्ट टू हैव रिसोर्स टू. प्रतिभाषते टू रिप्लाई. मति इंटेलेक्ट. मदः प्राइड, एरोगेंस. मूलम root or foot. Murchati to faint away, to soon. Yajniyah belonging to the sacrifice. Rajapurushaha king's officer. Ruha plus arohati to ascend. Pratinivartate to come back, to return. Samartah to be able or powerful. Sarpah, serpent. Samyak, well. Sarameyah, a dog. And Pariharati, to remove. With this, we had also finished some sentences. I will go fast. Jalam patum nadim agachat. He or she went to the river to have water, to drink water. Kumbhakarena ghataha kritaha. The ghata was made by Kumbhakara. Harina sarpaha drashtaha. Drishtaha, Kshamyata. The serpent was seen by Hari. Gramam gantum ichchami. I want to go to village. Jananam pīडाha parihartum Ishwarah samartah asti. Ishwarah, the God, is capable to remove the pain of people. Bharyam tektva vanam gatah. Having given a wife, he went to the forest. Ramasya pīda nashta. The pain of Rama was perished. Upayaschintitah, the solution was thought. Gruham pravishtah kinkarah gruham pravishtah, the servant entered the house. शम्बुकेन कथितां वार्तां श्रुत्वा रामः अमुह्यत. Ram was fainted after listening the news uh, by brought by Shambhuka. नद्यास्तीरे चिरं विहृत्य उटजं निवृत्ता सीता. Having roamed around or at the bank of Nadi, Sita came back. गृहं प्रविश्य क्व माता इति अपृच्छत्. Having entered to the house, where is mother? Thus he asked. Lakshmya madena sprushtosi. You are the touched or you are touched by the intoxication of wealth. Ramena bahavah kupaha tadagascha utkhata. The many various wells and ponds were dug by Rama. एवं उक्तः हरिः ब्राह्मणाय धनम अयच्छत्. Thus spoken Hari gave the well to the Brahmins. Ashvam arohum matir jata. The mati intellect or the he thought about climbing Ashwa horse. Shatrun jitva nagrim pravishat. Having conquered the enemies, he entered to the city. Enters the city. सखिभिः पृष्टा ललना अलज्जत. The lady who was asked by her friends, he felt shy. क्लेशः सोढः सीतया. Pain, a difficulty was endured by Sita. Up to this we had completed. Now next. पृथिव्यां चरितुं यज्ञीयः अश्वः मुक्तः. Can you make this or can you get the meaning of this sentence?
Horse was relief, right?
The horse who belongs to yajna, sacrifice. The sacrificial
The sacrificial horse is released on the earth.
for charitum, for walking.
Entire earth.
So पृथिव्यां चरितुं यज्ञीयः अश्वः मुक्तः. The sacrificial horse was released to wander on earth, to roam around on earth. वनात् प्रतिनिवृत्य रामः राज्यं कर्तुम् आरभत.
Like pratinivritya is written, right? So after returning from the forest, Ram
राज्यं कर्तुम्.
Ram rule the kingdom.
So having came back or having returned from forest, Ramah
Ruled the kingdom.
ruling the kingdom. पंके पतितां धेनुम् उद्धरति. पंके पतितां धेनुम् उद्धरति.
He uplifts the cow from the mud.
Patitam, one who he
Fallen in the fell.
So basically, he lifted the cow who was felled into the panka mud. रक्षितोऽस्मि देवेन.
I protected by the God.
I am protected by God. बहूनि काव्यानि पठितानि हरिणा.
Because so many poems
Hmm.
read by Hari.
Read by Hari. Various kavyas actually were read by Hari. आतपेन क्लान्ताः तरोः मूलं भजामः.
What is the Atapena?
आतपः सूर्यस्य तापः आतप इति शब्देन कथ्यते इति. तस्मात् आतपात् अथवा तेन आतपेन क्लान्ताः तप्ताः किं कुर्मः तरोः मूलं भजामः. Hmm. कथं भवति. भजामः.
Bhajam, Bhajamaham means we, right? Or us. We. We
Take a resort of तरोः मूलम्. Hmm.
the foot of the tree.
हाँ वैसा भी बोल सकते. We take the we take the help of or we take a resort of Tarohu Moolam, the foot of tree. Hmm. We Atapena Kalanta exhausted by sunshine or the Surya Atapa. We take the shelter of tree. Next, the clouds have been scattered by the wind. प्रत्ययस्य उपयोगः करणीयः. अत्र बहुत्र भूतकाले कर्मणि मध्ये प्रयोगः दृश्यते. The clouds have been
Va-
by the wind.
Vayuna, Vayuna, Megha, Nirastaha.
निरस्ताः मेघाः निरस्ताः वायुना मेघाः निरस्ताः. The fields have been plowed by the husbandmen and corn has been sown.
It's difficult for me.
The field is called kshetram. The fields, it is Bahuvachanam, kshetrani. What happened with kshetras? Plowed. To plow, krishtaha. उसका बनेगा न्यूटर जेंडर.
Krishtani,
Krishtani, kshetrani, krishtani. By what? By husbandman.
Krushi,
Means,
Bailaha,
no, husbandman means farmers. Hmm.
Kisanaha,
हाँ कृषिवलैः अथवा कृषिकैः. कृषिवलैः क्षेत्राणि कृष्टानि.
so corn has been sown. So
धान्यं च
Dhanyam Uptam,
उक्तं च. हम्म, हम्म. Having well educated the pupil, the preceptor gave him permission to marry. Having,
is like
having it coming means which pratyay you are going to use? Hmm. Having completed one action, another action is being performed. So where To show the completed action, which pratyay we use?
Va pratyaya.
Va pratyay as well as lep pratyay, right?
Yeah, lep pratyaya.
So here, having well educated, to educate.
Educated, I don't know how to translate into Sanskrit.
Hmm.
Vidya, vidyabhyasa परिपूर्णः
Hmm.
विवाह
Hmm.
permission is सम्मतं वक्तः no I don't
Hmm. Here, new Kriya Pada has gone in the same sentence, the same educate. So, when there is a Nayati Dhatu along with new Upasarga, you just need
Viniya.
Viniya. Okay?
Viniya.
Viniya. So, what will be the sentence? Having well educated,
Yam.
Visham Samyak Viniya.
Viniya.
Acharya.
can you repeat it again Avinash ji?
So having well educated, so basically having उसके लिए हम लेप प्रत्यय यूज करेंगे शिष्यम प्यूपिल द शिष्य राइट शिष्यम सम्यक विनीय आचार्य शादी करना ना
विवाह
आज्ञा. आज्ञा.
हाँ परिणेतुम विवाहं कर्तुम वा अनुज्ञाम अथवा आज्ञाम अयच्छत् शिष्यं सम्यक् विनीय आचार्यः तं परिणेतुम् आज्ञाम् अकरोत् अथवा आज्ञाम् अयच्छत् अनुज्ञाम् अयच्छत्. The sea is agitated by the wind.
समुद्रः पवनेन क्षुब्धः.
समुद्रः पवनेन क्षुब्धः. Having followed the dog's steps, we come to the place indicated. New word for dog.
सारमेयस्य. सारमेयस्य steps means
steps. Padam.
So, padam pade padani.
Padani.
Sarmyasya padani.
Follow. What is the Kriya Pada for following? Anusarati. What would be the
lep pratyay anusrutya.
अनुसृत्य सारमेयस्य पदानि अनुसृत्य
स्थानम् आगच्छत्.
आगच्छ. किं स्थानम्? Indicated. What is the word for indicate? To indicate.
निश्चित और निर्दिष्ट.
स्थानम् उक्तं स्थानम् प्रोक्तं स्थानम्. Okay.
Trying to take the class.
सारमेयस्य पदानि अनुसृत्य सः निर्दिष्टं स्थानम् अगच्छत्. Shiva became satisfied with Ravana's devotion.
रावणस्य
I can try this.
Mhm.
Shivaha Ravanasya Bhaktena Tushtaha Asit.
Why bhaktena?
Devotion.
What is the original word?
Sorry, I just came home.
Hmm. But what is the word for devotion?
Devotion.
bhakti.
Bhakti. What is the Tritiya
Bhakti.
Vibhakti?
Bhakti.
Bhakti.
Bhaktina.
Bhaktya.
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 Hmm. So, again,
Shivaha Ravanasya Bhaktya
hmm.
Santuഷ്ടः.
Tushtaha Asit.
Tushtaha asit, santushtaha asit. The seed of virtues is placed in the heart of men. Hmm. Hmm. The seed of virtues. Seed, the words.
Seed is a bija. Can I say bija?
हाँ कस्य बीजम अथवा केशाम बीजम
Gunasya
गुणानाम बीजम is
Gunanam bijam.
देवेन
to place
In the heart. Placed.
स्थापितम निहितम by God devena where in the heart of men मनुष्याण
देवेन
पुरुष
देवेन गुणानां बीजं जनस्य हृदय निहितम्
हृदये निहितं जनस्य हृदये गुणानां बीजम अथवा पुरुषाणां हृदये गुणानां बीजं देवेन निहितं देवेन स्थापितं. Everyone is virtues actually because the gunas stay in the heart, but sometimes they forget that they are a virtuous person and they go to the unrighteous path. Be ready to conquer your enemy.
Arim
Hmm.
Tvam
Hmm.
Jayatum
Jetum.
Jetum Jetum I don't know ready.
In this part only we had seen the word udyata, udyuktaha, udyataha, अथवा
Udyama is effort, right?
उद्यत और सज्जः भव शत्रुं जेतुं सज्जो भव उद्यतो भव. Many soldiers were killed in the battle.
बहवः सैनिकाः युद्धे हताः
हताः, killed. Having remembered her dead husband, she again
Maranam Patehe Maranasya Patehe
Patyuh.
Patyuhu
This is special always.
Patyuhu Smrutya Murchitaha भवति।
पत्युः मरणं स्मृत्वा
स्मृत्वा
सा मूर्छिता अभवत्।
मूर्छिता अभवत्।
सा अभवत्। स्वस्य पत्युः मरणं स्मृत्वा सा पुनः मूर्छिता अभवत् इति। At the time of the coronation, all men were released from prison.
सर्वे जनाः अभिषेकस्य समये कारागृहस्य मुक्तः कारागृहात् मुक्तः
मुक्ताः, all men, right? सर्वे जनाः अभिषेकस्य समये कारागृहात् मुक्ताः. The child wishes to seize the moon.
शिशुः इन्दोः
No, not Indo, exactly Indum.
इन्दुं
Seeds.
स्वीकर्तुं इच्छति।
Basically, the child, बालः wishes, इच्छति, बालः इच्छति, किम इच्छति? To seize the moon. चंद्रम अथवा इंदुम धर्तुम, कर्तुम also fine. The fruit of his exertion has been obtained by Narayana.
नारायणेन फलम्
कस्य फलम्?
उद्यमस्य
उद्यमस्य फलम्
लभेत्।
No, past tense. लब्धम, प्राप्तम.
Can we say labdaha or no?
लब्धम.
फलम न्यूट्रल जेंडर. किम प्राप्तम फलम प्राप्तम, किम लब्धम फलम लब्धम, केन लब्धम नारायण लब्धम, कस्मात् अथवा केन हेतुना प्रयत्नेन यत्नेन. Having saluted the goddess, he returned from the temple.
The goddess Devim Natva Saha Mandirat Nivruttaha.
Hari's fault have been forgiven by his father.
तो हरि ही अपराध जनकेन क्षान्तः
अपराधाः क्षान्ताः.
क्षान्तः
तो हरेः अपराधाः जनकेन पित्रा क्षान्ताः इति. Having ascended the mountain, he saw a lake.
Oh, you missed the Hari's faults.
No, we did, right?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Having ascended the mountain, he saw a lake. Parvatam arohitva.
उपसर्ग is there, na? Tva pratyay can.
Aruhya. Parvatam aruhya. Tadakam apashyat.
Tadagam apashyat.
Apashyat.
The cause of fear is gone.
जो भयस्य कारणं नष्टं.
Yes. He attempts to lead villains to the path of good.
सः दुष्टाः दुष्टान् आम, आ, आम, शुभ मार्ग मार्गम
Hmm.
वर्त वर्तते
Hmm.
attempts
Yatate.
यतते शुभ मार्गम प्रयत्नं सः
सः यतते
दुष्ट
मतलब
सः दुष्ट पुरुषान्
हम्म
शुभ मार्गस्य
हम्म
कर्तुं यतते
तुम यतते सः खलान् सत्पथि नेतुं यतते नेतुं वाञ्छति यदि खलान् पथि सताम् सुक्तैः सुधा स्यन्दिभिः सेज भर्तृहरिजीन् नीतिशतकम् यदि कश्चन पुरुषः खलान् सज्जनानां पथि नेतुं यदि वाञ्छति चेत् तस्य प्रयत्नाः कीदृशाः सः वदति व्यालं बालं मृणालतन्तुभिरसौ रोद्धुं समुजृम्भतः व्यालः नाम सर्पः सर्पः अपि अत्र अस्मिन् श्लोके तु तेन गजः इति अर्थः स्वीकृतः गजः महापराक्रमी वर्तते बलाढ्यः प्राणिः अस्मिन् जगति तं गजं यदि कश्चन रोद्धुम् अवरोद्धुं यदि वाञ्छति तस्य कृते किम् आवश्यकं लोहदण्डाः लोहखण्डा अथवा लोहशृङ्खला आवश्यकी अंकुशः आवश्यकः किन्तु यदि कश्चन पुरुषः बालमृणालतन्तुं स्वीकरोति बालमृणालतन्तुं नाम किं मृणाल इति लोटस् कमलं कमलस्य अन्ते मृणालाः अथवा तत्र मध्ये मध्ये किञ्चित् रजकण इव किञ्चित् रज्जु इव कश्चन पदार्थो भवति तान् पदार्थान् यदि स्पर्शं कुर्मः चेत् तत् त्रुटिताः भवन्ति तादृशाः तन्तुं स्वीकृत्य तादृशान् तन्तुं स्वीकृत्य यः गजं रोद्धुम् इच्छति तस्य सः प्रयत्नः सफलो भवति वा उत विफलो भविष्यति नूनं विफलमेव भविष्यति यतोहि बालमृणालतन्तवः तथा सॉफ्ट भवन्ति हस्तमपि तत्र निधाय वयम् अथवा स्थापयामः चेत् तत् त्रुटिताः भवन्ति तैः तन्तुभिः यदि कश्चन गजं रोद्धुम् इच्छति चेत् तस्य प्रयत्नः असफलाः तत्पुरुषवत् यः कश्चन खलान् दुष्टान् सज्जनानां पथि नेतुं वाञ्छति तस्य प्रयत्नाः अपि कीदृशाः भविष्यन्ति विफला एव भविष्यन्ति कस्मात् दुष्टाः कदापि सज्जनानां विचारं न शृण्वन्ति इति कृत्वा ते दुष्टाः इतोपि उदाहरणद्वयम् अयं ददाति भर्तृहरिः राजा भर्तृहरिः किन्तु समयाभावात् अहम् अनन्तरं वदामि अग्रिमं The child was abandoned on the shore of the sea.
शिशुः समुद्रस्य तीरे त्यजतः
त्यक्तः
त्यक्तः
It happens sometimes. भारत में कुछ भी पॉसिबल है. Okay, next. Having experienced the sorrows of the world, he became ascetic.
जगत्
दुःखं
संसारः दुःखं
दुःखानि
Dukhani experience. What is that?
अनुभूय
Anubhuya saha munim
यति
munim
अभवत्.
muni abhavat.
Many villages were burnt by the soldiers on the way.
बहवः
Hmm.
ग्रामाः
Hmm.
सैनिकानि मार्गे दग्धः
सैनिकैः मार्गे बहवः ग्रामाः दग्धाः. Having replied to his friend, he stood silent.
Having replied to his friend, saha mitram vakyam shrutva.
Replied.
What?
Having replied, right?
Replied, okay. Having answer.
In this book only, how to again go back to the sentence, the words. Pratibhashya, having replied. Mitram sah tushnim atishtat. A son is born to Harid's wife. Harid's wife. हरेः भार्यायै पुत्रः जातः सुनुः जातः. Having got up in the morning, men wash their faces. प्रातः
प्रातः उत्थाय जनाय
तेषां
जनः मुखानि प्रक्षालयति
प्रक्षालयन्ति मनुष्याः मेन
प्रक्षालयन्ति
मनुष्याः तेषां मुखानि प्रक्षालयन्ति. The thieves were bound by the king's officers.
चोराः नृपस्य सचिवेन bound is बद्धाः.
चोराः राजपुरुषैः अथवा राजसैनिकैः बद्धाः. Thus we have completed 24th one. Next time we will do 25th. Okay. So here we will stop. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णम्